So you stop your car there because there was meeting situation. So there was a car was coming. So you stopped because you feel that you cannot give 1 meter clearance from the side of the van. So you stopped. Your positioning was very good as well. No problem whatsoever. Now once that meeting situation finished, but you stay there because I can see where you were looking, where your eyes, who you try to give way to after that.
To these cars I was in
To the cars from the side of the road.
Yes, I was looking.
But I just give you a clue there that you try to give way to the cars coming from the side. Now, did we have any giveaway lines painted in front of us?
No.
No. Did those people have got a giveaway line? So they give way to who?
To us.
To you, to us, because they are joining our road, or are we joining their road?
They are joining.
They're joining us. Now you miss first opportunity, so you let the black car go. Okay, it was sticking out. Okay, I'll give you benefit of doubt. So what happened? Another car come, meeting situation. So again, you have to wait there. But then that car gone. And after that, you have got enough time that you should have just gone by checking your mirrors and gone around. But there was a red car who was coming. And I can see that you start looking, and you point the finger there as well, okay? And you stop for that car as well. Now, first time examiners may give you benefit of doubt. Okay, black car was sticking out, okay, fair enough. But then second time, you may get minor or may get serious, because what we're doing, we are holding the traffic behind as well. Because that means that's not making you a safe driver. Because think about the consequences, because anybody behind you, they can also see that nobody's coming. They may risk overtaking you because you are not going there. So whenever it's safe, you should be going there. What did I say to you in your first lesson? Think about be a selfish driver. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Any problem, any questions?